Yeah, welcome guys. The last video, I made an explanation on how to modify some text in our input file. In the case, I explained how to change text in to base 10. Yeah, I'll be explaining how to convert word in hexadecimal and binary. This base 16 and base 5 to base 10. So, yes, good. Create a main.py file. Here is where the main function will be running. I explained this main.quin in the previous video, but for the purpose of learning, I just want to read again. So we imported from OS, that's operating system, because we have taken argument from the console. We importing from font, which is FMT. So now let's check the function main first. So we check this is if length of argument is not equal to 3, but it's not 3, because we're passing 3 arguments. The length of the argument A, I'll explain here. Now, these are the arguments. Go run main.u as the go run dot text dot txt and app.txt. The length of argument is 3, but we have just 2 indexes here. That is, go run take the first index, input.txt take the second index, and output.txt take the second index. That index 0, 1, and 2. So return. Then we create a variable that will store input text. So let's input file. So take the first argument at index 1. And our output file.
Winning.
Second argument. Index 2. Then we'll check, read our input file. So we can say text. So file, really feel like input file. Then so if error is not new, so check error file error. This is a constant in Golang, like this error. So that to give us like, okay, there's no such file there. It's a constant. We're going to process some text. So not even process, but we'll create another variable, store that data. String of text. Then we're going to check our output file. We're going to read it. We're going to write it. After reading the input file, we're going to write the output file. So writing the output file is always on write file, output file. Then we're going to byte it. Byte the process, because we have saved the input file in process. Give the permission 0644. So this means 6 means read write for user, 4 means read for group and for others. Then if error, you know, error, rectify.
Something like you.
Left them to the printer, and that's what we're doing. So let's print our some test listing. Successfully. I want to use a placeholder here, so I'm using printed, definitely processed.
Supposedly the account stays, but it changed that.
So it's already getting right now. Well,
Yeah, dispenser. Before that,
so let's check if our main function is working perfectly. So let's install our Go mode in Max program. So let's add our sample text. So before that, let's check what account. So you can see the usage goes on dot input.txt. It's giving us the usage. So let me add this on here. Like, sorry. That is, there's no sample text, no input text, no output text. So let us create our sample text where what we're going to modify will be new. So sample.txt, let's write today is what in hexadecimal is in quinary, numbers in quinary rather 1 0 1. That is numbers in base5. So we're going to create another file that we are going to to create our functions for x and point. Touch x point. Touch x point. Market one. So string converter. Function convert x odd. It takes in odd, or let me use text, which is a string. The string. So I'm going to split the word. So words and strings dot fields. This string dot field split these words. Split this word like into different tokens, like today is 2a blah blah blah. So we're going to look through the word. Index less than length of what? And this. Words. This is just like the octal video time number base, like almost the same function. That is index start at 0, index less than length of words, and I does that continue. That is a loop. That is to iterate through each word. if words at high, sorry, if word at high is x, is x, and I is it's greater than 0, meaning and I is greater than 0, meaning we are changing the word before this x. Now sample.txt, we are changing the word for it, which is to a to decimal. What at I is greater than 0, that is what? That's I minus 1. What? Change x. What? That's I minus 1. After we've done that, then we'll remove the word. And remove or delete, just put after being changed the text, we don't need it anymore. Remove word, what, then we'll stop the loop. So don't just keep the word. Then strings dot. Now we're done with the function to change the x1. So now create another function for convert Quin. So it takes in text with a string and gives out a string. So we're going to split it as well. String dot fields. It's almost the same. It's even the same. The difference is just, that I'm changing from x and Quin. So same way we're going to loop it. Right, start at 0. Right, then words. That is Quin. I is greater than 0. I think it's here. Then words. I minus 1. Did what before? Should change. Yes. Then I'm going to remove that Quin word. Remove. Then stop the loop. We'll split the word we need to join. String.join. Then after we've done this, we're going to create functions to change this s, that is from base 16 to base 10, and this remove word. We create a function for remove word. So function change x. So let's say we're passing string. Let's say which is string. It's actually a string. I don't want to use number. Let's see what it is string. So and return so a string. So we're going to check for error. So let's say non-error. So create a variable to pass the int to treat string convert dot pass int. That's the word. The word is in base 16. I'll give it a bit in base 64. Then check for error. If error not new, that is error is present, that is return the word. If that is, if the word is on an hexadecimal, maybe QQ or ZZ, it doesn't like that. So return string convert dot format int string converter format int that is the number to base 10. Then we're done for this. Then the next one is function to change that is binary. With a word as well, with a string, and it returns the string. So let's check for error. Let's save variable in none in yes or no. So you can check for error and convert dot as int. So word using base5 64. Then check if error is not new. Something return word like that. So if it's like base5 using a default base like base 10, so just return like that. So just like to return string convert. So remember base 10. After that, we're going to create a function to remove word. So function to remove word. Change the word. We don't need anymore like the X or the bin. So we're going to remove it. The word as well. Slice of string. The word is slice of string. So this element or this function will take to input. It takes the word and takes the index with an integer. Then it returns a slice of string. We're going to append. Append is used when you want to join two slices together. Don't append word from the beginning of the index. With word from the index that is +1, that is after that index. So it will skip that to the end. This tailor used to join two slices together. So we're done with our function. So we're going to call our function in our main method. So converted word and convert Quin word. So process. Convert text1 process text. Yes, sorry. So let's start calling our convert text word. Then to call that process text convert Quin word. Let's check if our system is on. So sample.txt and result txt. It will automatically txt file. That is the result of txt file. So let's check. Since it's also printed, let our result of txt file. Look at it. Today is 41 from tomorrow is 20. Yeah. And something happened earlier. Text x Quin should be x.go when we want to create the files. It isn't just be x-Quin. That to quickly rename the file x.go and use x-Quin.